So, here's the story. After spending a whole day on the ferry to get here and having a somewhat disappointing first hours under the fog on the Magdalene Island, I am ready for some payback. And for once, I'm gonna get exactly what I asked for. And so much more.
Oh! Oh my God. My hair can't take it anymore. We don't have that many kilometers to do, or miles, because I really want to take my time. I have a few things I want to see, but otherwise I'm just going to wander around and stop wherever I feel like. It's going to be that kind of trip today. I guess I'm not the only bike here. Yeah, I guess not. We should have some friends on the road today. All kinds of friends. These two are a couple. I met them earlier today. It's a beauty. Vous êtes combien là? Vous êtes vraiment tous ensemble?
Oui, je pense qu'on est pas loin de 40.
Wow!
J'ai décidé de mettre le triomphe
Ah
KFC
oui,
juste.
avec le petit détail de... Ah, wow!
Ouais, ça vient avec.
Très
La
hot.
visière fumée qui va avec, mais
Ouais.
il fait jamais beau.
I chatted with the group for a bit and made friends with this adorable couple with the Triumph and the Honda. Yeah, I guess I could tell he was kind of disapproving of my very nasty, muddy, dirty bike. How dare me.
Bon, on va voir si ça démarre cette affaire-là.
Now, this is the moment of truth. Turns out, Phoenix is a drama queen and is very sensitive to humidity. Every single time she had to spend the night outside with that type of weather, she would act out the next morning. Now, if you think I would take advantage of this group here and ride along with them for the day, well, you would be wrong. Even though you don't see many of these on my videos, I do have quite a lot of interaction during my trips with fellow riders or just random people, usually at the gas station. And I do very much enjoy every single of those moments. But the thing is, riding in a group is just not an option for me.
Ouais, elle a eu de la misère, mais elle a démarré. Après, elle va être correcte, là, mais...
I cherish my alone time on the road. So, off we go.
So I messed up with the map. Damn it. And you don't see a thing. It's really bad.
Yep, the fog is quite heavy and I can barely see a thing. But there is this one sightseeing I really want to go to. I have a really good feeling about that one. So, fog or no fog, I'm going.
Taking the trail to the lighthouse I have no clue if we're gonna see anything, but we'll try.
And then I guess my microphone got disconnected, so I have no clue what I am babbling about here. Probably something having to do with the bad weather and not having a clue where the hell I'm going. And suddenly, there it was. Still with no sound. Bear with me, guys. We'll get there.
Okay, now let's go see the lighthouse. Right there. A tiny bit slippery. That was worth the walk. I'm gonna keep going. There is another point over there. I can hear some boats in line. Oh! Oh my god! I'm gonna turn this around. I don't want to disturb them, so I'm not gonna get any closer. I'm gonna leave them alone. Despite the fog, there is a 360 view. The birds over there. Then you got a lighthouse. And then the cliff. I'm just in awe by this place. So exciting. And it's within the first 30 minutes of my ride. I don't know how we're gonna top that. Going back to the bike. Amazingly quiet. You just hear the wind, birds, and some boats. Perfection. That was spectacular.
As the lighthouse was pretty much the only thing on my list for the day, really whatever happens next is a bonus. Turns out, the island has a few more tricks under her sleeve for me.
Sand dunes. Okay, we are at the dunes, going on the beach. The sand is very soft. I might take my boots off.
Well, I didn't. And it is a beautiful spot here, but I just cannot stay still. That's not my thing. So I take it all in, and then I'm ready for the next adventure. That's how I operate.
I could stay here all day long, but then I won't see the other stuff I want to see. Back on the road.
And just a few miles away, another beautiful spot with those brownish red cliffs. I just cannot get enough of those.
My hair can't take it anymore. The wind.
Time for a photo shoot. Then I guess I might as well go right to the cliff for a last goodbye.
Bonjour!
Last stop of the day. I'm not used to stopping so many times because there is just too many things to see. Yeah, this place keeps on giving. So let's see this last one. The perfect ending for this day. Perfect one.
Well, maybe except for the wind. Tomorrow we are taking the ferry back to the mainland. And Nova Scotia is next on my bucket list. I'll see you there.
This bird is huge and not impressed by human beings. To a big fly.